Happy birthday, may inaanak Zia. Si Ninang Jamie to. Sobrang tagal na nating di nakikita. Sana kilala mo pa ako kahit sa pangalan. Welcome to adulthood. Masaya. And I think it is exciting. Adulthood gives you more chances to explore. But I hope you remember to balance enjoyment and wise decision making. Always have the discernment pagka meron kang gustong gawin. Ha? Kasi kahit tingin mo, ikaw ay adult na, sa mata ng mama at papa mo, ikaw pa rin ang baby. So feeling ko, syempre anything that you do, ayaw naman natin magkakaroon ng hindi magandang consequences. Of course, I always wish the best for you. Enjoy mo lang. Lagi kong ipagdadasal yung fulfillment and achievement mo ng dreams mo. Looking forward to reconnecting with you. Baka ngayong adulthood na, ngayong mas matanda ka na, mas magka-chance na tayong magka-bonding. Enjoy your birthday. And nandito lang si Ninang kahit virtually. Okay, love you. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Sia. Dalaga ka na. Mag-enjoy ka sa pagiging buhay dalaga. Huwag kang magmadali, mag-aral kang mabuti. And makinig ka kay mama at papa mo kahit na mas malaki ka pa sa kanila. And mahal na mahal ka namin. Kahit bihira tayo magkita-kita, kasi layo. Balik sa Casa ng Diyos kami layo, di ba? Happy birthday ulit. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Saka huwag ka muna magpapaligid. God bless you, Sia.
Happy 18th birthday, Sia.
Hi Zia, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka. Sana ma-meet na ulit kita. Medyo matagal na tayong hindi nakikita. Nakita kita, ganito ka palang kalit. Ngayon, ganito ka na. So, happy birthday again and enjoy.
To my inaanak Zia, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy a great life ahead of you. Always be thankful to your parents and to those people who love you. Always pray, be a good person, and enjoy achieving all of your goals in life. So keep safe, and again, happy birthday and God bless.
Hi Sia, Ninong Alan here. Happy 18th birthday. I know turning 18 is a big step. I know na magiging kaya mo lahat. So always be true to yourself. Keep shining bright. And don't be afraid to reach for the stars. Happy 18th birthday!
I am making this video to celebrate the debutante, Sia Luis Emmanuel de Jesus. First of all, happy birthday, Sia. This marks an important milestone in your life, finally entering adulthood. As you enter this new chapter in your life, I hope you achieve the dreams you always dreamed of. Seeing you in your debutante dress brings back memories when you were just a child, playing with your cousin in your residence. Being 18 means you can legally make your own independent choices, but it also means making mistakes from them, which I hope you learn and improve.
Hi, Zia. Ninong Alvin Hernandez here. I want to greet you a happy birthday. Hindi man tayo madalas magkasama or magkita, but you are always in my prayer. Together with your dad, Lou, and your mom, Irish, and the whole family, I always include you in my prayers during Sunday Masses. Please continue to be a good and loving daughter to the whole family. Continue chasing your dreams. Do good. Work hard, and I'm sure there's a bright future ahead of you. I'm always praying for you, and I love you. God bless you. Bye.
pa ang mga kanta. Teka, wag ka munang aalis.
Tia, anong gusto mo maging paglaki? Anong gusto mo maging paglaki? Butterfly!
Ngayon andito ka, isa kang himala. Teka, wag ka munang aalis. Dahil pangako ko ay wala nang lumbay, di ka na mag-iisa. Dito ka na lang sa aking tabi, mula umaga hanggang gabi. Huwag ka munang aalis. Dito ka na lang sa aking tabi, kahit magdamag sandali. Huwag ka munang aalis. Tayo'y happy ending. Yeah. Ikaw ang happy ending.
Tayo kayo doon. Bala kayo. Sige, makamatay kayo.
Ang dami kong baka.
Patay ako. Di ba? Tulungan mo ako. Ano lumapit? Ano?
Lipstick at saka make
Ano yung una? Ano yung unang sinabi?
lipstick. Make up lipstick
Lipstick.
at saka
Ano? Ulitin mo ulit. Lipstick. Ano?
lipstick
Lipstick.
at saka cutic at saka paulit sa mata.
Ano?
Gulo na ako.
Dito ka na lang sa aking tabi, mula umaga hanggang gabi. Huwag ka munang aalis. Dito ka na lang sa aking tabi, kahit magdamag sandali. Huwag ka munang aalis. Tayo'y happy ending. Yeah. Ikaw ang happy ending. Dito ka lang. Dito ka lang. Dito ka na lang sa aking tabi, mula umaga hanggang gabi. Huwag ka munang aalis. Dito ka na lang sa aking tabi, mula umaga hanggang gabi. Huwag ka munang aalis. Dito ka na lang sa aking tabi, kahit magdamag sandali. Huwag ka munang aalis. Tayo'y happy ending. Ikaw ang happy ending. Ikaw ang happy ending.